Comes with a spare set of brake pads. That's always nice. And some tools. Looks like a rear fender. This is the charger. So, all right, so it comes with some instructions. Okay, so that slides back, and that allows this guy open to allow this to come up. We'll tighten that up now that it's locked up. All right, so everything's constructed with aluminum. That's good. Heavy duty. Boom. My kids want to ride it, but I have a feeling they're going to be a little short for it. Got the handlebars on it. Just got to snug these things up a little bit. You want to make sure that the pinch is the same on both sides and make sure it's centered. It looks like I need to tighten that piece up when I get done. Make sure the angle's right on the bars. Some wicked tires and it's full suspension. Pretty sweet little light. Got the fender on it, so it's pretty easy once you unbox this thing. It's just this fender, the handlebars, and you don't really have to rotate the lights right away, but you probably ought to so that they're pointed the right way when you need them. Dual shocks up front with a hydraulic disc rotor. It's got Bosch motors front, and it's got one in the back. So this thing is dual electric motor, dual suspension, dual shock, the all-new Titan Pro by HiBoy. Hold the power button. Don't need that. Ooh, look at that display. So it's got decent battery right now. And but we're still going to charge this thing. Press and hold the plus button to turn the lights on and off. Okay, so it's got some buttons here. It's got a horn. Wow, a loud horn. Oh, look at that. You can make it dual motor or single motor by just a push of a button. Man, this thing is pretty slick. A little quick little pin here. Actually, I'm glad I dropped that. You drop that, that locks this thing down to here. And you're really going to want to do that if you're going to travel with this thing. I messed up my other scooter by not locking the neck down, and then it flopped around and it broke the display screen. I'm going to get this thing on the charger and get it all charged up before I rip this thing. Light before I plugged it in, now it's red. We got the plug right there. So we're going to get this thing all charged up before we go take it for a ride. All right, so power button. Nope, hold the brake and hit the M. Let's go for a spin. We'll start on one. So what do we got there? 13 miles an hour on position 1. Put it on number 2. That goes pretty good on number 2, 19 miles an hour. Man, the brakes are nice. Yeah, the brakes are real nice. It's not super powerful from a dead stop. Here, let's turn on the other motor. Yeah, it takes off quite a bit faster, and it looks like it goes a little bit faster with the second motor on. It's a bit chilly. Alright, we're going to put it on 3. We're going to take single motor. Goes pretty good, really. So single motor did 24 on number 3. Let's see how it goes. It's got pretty good power. And the brakes are really nice, which is huge. Oh yeah, it's fast. Fast enough. Plenty fast. 31 mile an hour. Let's see how many houses it takes to get to speed. All right. Second house. I'm at the third house, is 24 miles an hour. Fourth house, sorry. Yeah, it's quick. It is quick. Plenty fast. Wow, it's got a horn. Horn works. $31 miles an hour. Dual motor, dual disc brake, hydraulic brakes, front motor, disc brakes, dual shocks. I mean, this thing is pretty sporty for sure. Good thing for good brakes. All right, so I put this thing in the truck and it fits. I got just a standard Tahoe, but it is heavy.
Good at recording sometimes.
Okay.
Whee! Oh, here's a ferry. Whee!
So close. Oh yeah, that has pretty good power, really.
Can you turn on the lights?
I can.
And Thomas chasing. Whee!
I have this obsession with doing wheelies, and it doesn't wheelie amazing because it doesn't have a ton of torque, but it has a ton of top-end speed. Day 2 on the scooters, and the HiBoy Titan Pro was really good yesterday at Lawrenceburg. I got, I think, 7.8 miles on it. So day 2, we're gonna rip it around here. Still haven't had, let's see here. There's no bars gone on that, 7.6 miles, and we're still full charge on this thing. So that's probably why it's so heavy. I'm sure that is all battery right there. This thing is such a beast. It just plows through this rock over here. It's so deep. You put on the dual motors and just plow right through it. Back at the races, and the scooter is pretty clutch. You're not gonna crash. Just lean into it.
I want to see the lights.
Check out the lights on this thing. You can go faster. It goes 30. I'm going to leave a link down below in the subscription so you guys can go click on the link, go check this HiBoy Titan Pro out, and it really helps give me a little bit of commission for the sale. I've been riding this thing for a week, trying to put miles on the HiBoy Titan Pro. Hey baby, I'm trying to make a video here. The brakes on this thing, it's got disc brakes that are hydraulic and they feel so nice. The suspension is plush. It's got these amazing lights on it. The headlights are super bright. And this thing does 31 miles an hour with good suspension and amazing brakes. The HiBoy Titan Pro is definitely something to look at if you're wanting to commute on a scooter. It's got really nice suspension. It's got this beautiful display. The front motor, all you have to do, hit a button and the front motor comes on and gives you that power to climb a hill or go off-road. You can see I have 26 miles on this thing and the battery is still half charged. I ended up getting 36 miles out of it before it kind of went into limp mode and went 10 miles an hour, but you need to go check these guys out, the HiBoy Titan Pro.